Today's prompt is going to have two parts. You are first going to do a brainstorm, and then you're going to use your brainstorm to do a little bit of writing. We're going to start by having you think of all the places that you have been. Using the template in the link from Twitter or from an email, or maybe make an outline of your own foot, I want you to brainstorm as many different places as you can think of that you have visited. Maybe these are places in your community. Maybe these are cities you have visited or all the different states you have gone to. Maybe these are different national parks you have visited. Maybe you're lucky enough to have traveled to other countries or seen cultural icons like the Eiffel Tower or the Colosseum in Rome. I started one of these for you so you could see an example of a brainstorm. And I was thinking of some of my favorite places that I have visited: Barcelona in Spain and Cabo San Lucas in Mexico. Every summer we spend a lot of time at Puerto Bay, Ohio, and I'm missing Palm Springs, California right now where my parents live. Once you are done with your brainstorm, you are going to pick one of those places and tell the story of that visit with as many different details as possible. Right now, I am thinking about writing about when my sister and brother in law, nieces, all came to Put in Bay this past summer. And it was the hottest day of the year. You all remember those really hot days that we had in the summer. I think I'm going to write the story of that visit and how hot we all were, but we still had a good time. Go ahead and set your timer for 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Happy writing.